Throughout this tutorial on CG Live, we will be using terms, words, and phrases that might initially seem alien to you, especially if you are new to the program. So I guess it is better if I introduce them to you first, and then rush into the courses. Along the way, one of the main terms you will be introduced is the term shot. Each shot has some objects in it. All kinds of objects are listed here in the top right corner. When I'm talking about objects, I refer to the title, image, animation, bar chart, etc. All of these shots together consist of a scene. Scene is the unit you can open up and store on the hard disk. You can consider it as the common concept, project. There is also another term, template. This one is a little bit complicated, not because it is too hard to understand, but different people think it in different ways. Some people generally use it in the same way as shot. Some just use it as scene. They're okay, different scenario, different meanings. But what I was intended to say is, down at the bottom, template tape. These templates are prefabs, which we can easily modify and put it into use. Also later, we will look at layer. Now, this refers to the front and back relationships among the shots when they are on air in the same time. As we know, in real world, front layer blocks out the back layer. It is the same in the CG Live. The front layer uses small layer number, while big layer number represents back layer. So overall, we have looked at quite a number of terms. Whatever terms are used and however they are deployed, don't panic though, because I'll explain this terminology along the way, either by definition or by example. Well, now I would like to show you the structure of this tutorial. From chapter 1 to chapter 3, I'll give you a general idea about CG Live and how to configure the RedBridge card. In chapter 4, on-air operation, we will see to the 3 different players. In chapter 5, it's got important. Lots of ordinary tasks can be found here, like build a title, logo, scroll. Well, some of you may call it ticker or box, whatever. Same thing as what I call scroll here. Well, when it comes to the lyrics of a song or dialogue content, you can build subtitle, which is shown in lesson 4. Meanwhile, live video signal and a digital clock will also be introduced. A linking to database is commonly used in nowadays. When you have lots of latest information to be updated, you can read them from database and show them in your shot. In the last chapter, I'll show some other practical functions, like how to modify template using timer player, etc. Well, I'm not going to show you how to install the CG Live here, because once you try it, you will know how easy it is and agree with me that it will be wasting time to make a video about it. Alright, this is it. Hope this navigation has provided useful information you need.